Alright, good morning. I'm at Big Marsh Park, the Chicago Park District reclaimed area from the steel industry. Park number 256. Something like 300 acres. It's about 10 miles south of Chicago, right off 94. Ooh, I just saw something jump in the water. I can tell there's a big fish in there. Every once in a while I'll see a whirlpool from him. Maybe he'll jump for me. This is Dearbone Point. There's a trail out here. It looks like a lot of this park is for bicycles, like a motocross. And BMX type bikes. Some hilly terrain areas and jumps. I saw a guy earlier out taking pictures of birds. Ooh, this is weird. Someone made a teepee. Let's go explore it. It's kind of weird too with all these stumps. Someone must sit here and have a powwow. Saw some joggers, a couple bikers, a dude taking pictures. It's an early Sunday morning. That train was just rolling a couple minutes ago. Now's my chance to catch it. Big random storage container. Interesting area. It's a big landfill. The expressway goes right by it. I think I can remember when that was still active and they were pushing garbage around on it with bulldozers. And then at night when you drive by, they have these torches, or these flames, from the methane gas exhaust, and they burn it off, and you could see them lit up on the landfill. Big Marsh Park is as advertised. It's a big marsh with a bunch of circuits and courses made for bicycles, like a bike park. Bunch of jumps, hilly things to go up and down. I believe the land was once owned by a steel company and then donated to the city. to make a park. Here's some bike areas. There's a dude on a bike. Some hills to jump. Some stuff to climb. Terrain park. That's what they call it, a terrain park. No walking or running on trail, bikes only. Bike Plaza Park.